Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore beautiful crochet tutorial items for home decoration and room decoration ideas. If you love handmade crafts and cozy home designs, then this video will give you plenty of inspiration. Crochet is a wonderful way to decorate your home with unique and creative pieces. Handmade crochet decorations add warmth, personality, and charm to any space. The best part is that you can customize every item with your favorite colors, patterns, and textures. Let's start with one of the most popular crochet home decor ideas, crochet cushion covers. Crochet pillows can instantly transform the look of your living room or bedroom. Whether you prefer simple designs, colorful granny squares, or elegant textured patterns, crochet cushions always create a cozy and stylish atmosphere. Another beautiful crochet item for home decoration is crochet table decor. Crochet table runners, table mats, and doilies can add a classic and elegant touch to your dining table or coffee table. These handmade pieces make everyday spaces look more decorative and inviting. Crochet wall decorations are also becoming very popular in modern homes. Crochet wall hangings and decorative panels can turn a simple wall into a stunning piece of art. These designs are perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or even hallways. Next, we have crochet storage baskets. These baskets are both decorative and practical. You can use them to organize yarn, toys, books, blankets, or other small household items. Crochet baskets help keep your room neat while also adding a beautiful handmade touch. Small crochet items like coasters are also great decorative pieces. They are quick to make, very useful, and perfect for protecting your tables while adding a handmade touch to your home. Crochet lampshades and light covers are another creative way to decorate a room. The crochet patterns allow light to shine through beautifully, creating soft shadows and a warm, relaxing atmosphere. The wonderful thing about crochet home decor is that every piece is unique. Handmade decorations give your home a personal and creative feel that store-bought items often cannot match. These crochet ideas are perfect for beginners as well as experienced crocheters. With a little yarn and creativity, you can create beautiful decorations that make your home look stylish and comfortable. I hope these crochet tutorial items and home decoration ideas inspire you to try new crochet projects and create lovely handmade decorations for your space. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these crochet home decoration and room decoration ideas, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who love crochet. See you in the next video with more beautiful crochet designs and creative ideas.